Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Capricorn Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house, your in-laws related matter, your secret activities, your research studies is also seen from 8th house, and hidden studies is also seen from 8th house. So right now 8th house Lord is moving in your 11th house. 11th house deal with your gains, your elder brothers and sisters, your professional network circle, your friend circle is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So in the month of December, till Sun is moving in your 11th house, we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter, especially your unexpected gains. Because your 8th house, Lord of unexpected gains, is right now moving in the house of actual gain. So we can expect good result regarding Sun in the month of December. Also, your 11th house Lord is also moving in your 11th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your 11th house related matter. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your 12th house. So after 17th of December, when your 8th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, then you need to be take care of your expenses, losses, and sudden event related matter, because 12th house deal with your isolation, your hospitalization, your expenses, your losses, and after 17th of December, your 8th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 6th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion after 13th of December in your 12th house, and Mercury will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024 in your 12th house. Sixth house deal with your conflicts, your argument, your competition, your court cases, your litigations, your loans, your debt is seen from 6th house, and your daily routine, especially in terms of your work is seen from 6th house, your health related issues, your acute diseases are seen from 6th house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father seen from 9th house, your teachers, your mentors, your lawyers, your second marriage, your long distance travel, your religious matter, and your religious inclination is also seen from 9th house. So right now 9th house and 6th house Lord is moving in your 12th house, and from 12th house Mercury is also expecting its own house, means your 6th house. So we can expect good result regarding your court case, litigation, and argument related matter in the month of December. Also, Mercury controls your 9th house, and 9th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house also deal with your foreign settlement related matter, and 9th house also deal with your travel related matter. Ketu is just moved from your 10th house to your 9th house, so we can expect good result if you want to travel for religious purpose. Then we can expect more positive result for you people in the month of December, especially after 13th of December when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 12th house. Also, we can expect good result regarding your spirituality related matter if you want to do some spiritual travel in the month of December for some reason. For like if you want to visit some special place in the month of December, then we can also expect good result because Mercury is moving in your 12th house, and also Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 12th house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Venus controls your 5th house and your 10th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 10th house. Means Venus is right now moving in its own sign in your 10th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house. Your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are is seen from 5th house. Your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance is also seen from 5th house, and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority in life is seen from 10th house. Your bosses, your superior, your seniors is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house, and your fame related matter is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 5th house lord is in a strong position in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, and also we can expect good result regarding your love relationship if you have any love relationship. Also we can expect good result if you have children right now, because 5th house also deal with your children. And right now your 5th house lord is in a strong position in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your 5th house and your 10th house related matter in the month of December. Venus will stay in your 10th house till 24th of December. After 24th of December, Venus will move to your 11th house, where 11th house Lord Mars is also moving. So after 24th of December, when Venus will move to your 11th house, and from 11th house, Venus will aspect its own house, means your 5th house. That's why we can expect more good result regarding your 5th house related matter after 24th of December. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Moon controls your 7th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is considered as a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house, and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's a way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 11th house in its own sign. 4th house deal with your home, your mother's relationship is seen from 4th house, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life, your conveniences in life is also seen from 4th house. 11th house, as we discussed previously, 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your PR, your get-togethers, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes are also seen from 11th house. So right now 11th house Lord is in a strong position in your 11th house, which also controls your 4th house, and Jupiter is also present in your 4th house, and Venus is also present in your 10th house, and both are in mutual aspect in your 4th and 10th house. That's why we can expect a wonderful result for you people in the month of December regarding your properties related matter, regarding your comfort related matter. Also we can expect your properties will increase in the coming month because Jupiter is right now moving in your 4th house. Also we can expect good results regarding your work related matter. You will get some promotion, some increment, and also we can expect good achievements in the month of December for you people, because your 4th house and 10th house Lord is in a strong position right now. Also your 11th house Lord is also in a strong position. That's why we can expect good result for you people in the month of December for all the Capricorn ascendant people. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 11th house, and Sun will move to your 12th house after 17th of December in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 10th house, but Venus will move from your 10th house after 24th of December into your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 12th house, and Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 12th house after 13th of December and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 4th house, and Jupiter is right now moving in its retrograde motion, but Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your 4th house after 1st January 2024. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Capricorn ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.